Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you what is Apple Fitness and how to use it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Apple Fitness Plus is a subscription-based fitness service offered by Apple. It provides a wide range of guided workout videos including strength training, yoga, HIIT, high-intensive interval training, cycling, dance, treadmill running, and more. Apple Fitness integrates seamlessly with Apple ecosystem, particularly within the Apple Watch, to track and enhance your workout experience. So, what is Apple Fitness? Apple Fitness gives you personalized workouts, offers a variety of workouts from beginner to advanced across multiple fitness categories. It provides integration with Apple Watch, tracks your heart rate, calories burned, and other metrics during workouts, and displays them on your screen in real time. Then it provides guided sessions. Professional trainers guide you through each workout, and new workouts are added regularly. Then Apple Fitness Plus is available on multiple devices. You can use it on your iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, and even stream it in your smart TV via AirPlay. And it requires a monthly or yearly subscription after a 1-month free trial if you are a new user. In order to use Apple Fitness, first what you need to do is head over and open up your App Store. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the search bar and then type in Apple Fitness. Then once the search result loads, all you gotta do is look for an app icon like this on your home screen and then simply tap on the app. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the get button right here and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Then once downloaded, simply tap on open, and then what you need to do is get an Apple Watch. While you can access the app without it, Apple Fitness works best with an Apple Watch because it tracks your workout metrics like heart rate, calories burned, and more. If you don't have one, you can still use the service, but it won't be fully integrated with your stats. Then you can sign up through the fitness app on your phone by simply heading over and opening up the fitness app on your iPhone. Then tap on the Fitness Plus tab at the bottom, then follow the prompts to successfully subscribe to Apple Fitness Plus. Then you can browse and choose workout as well by simply opening up the app, then tapping on the Fitness Plus right here, and then once you are here, you can explore various categories like a treadmill, cycling, HIIT, yoga, strength training, dance, mindful, cool down, great for relaxation. And you can also choose a specific trainer or type of music, example hip hop, rock, pop, to customize your workout experience. Then you can simply choose your workout. After selecting a category and workout, simply tap on start. Then if you are using an Apple Watch, the system will automatically sync and start tracking your metrics like heart rate, calories, etc. during the workout. You'll see the stats live on your screen, so you can track your progress, and you can also sync workouts with other Apple devices. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.